Welcome. Today, let's explore how you can recover deleted videos on Gmail with these updated steps. To begin, locate the deleted videos in the trash by opening the Gmail app on your Android phone. Tap the three-line menu button to reveal the menu options. From there, select the Trash folder, which might be named differently based on your settings. If the video you wish to recover was deleted some time ago, don't worry, as it can still be retrieved from the trash. Long press on the email containing the video you want to recover until a checkmark appears in place of the icon on the left side. Next, tap the three-dot menu button and choose Move To. Select Inbox from the list of options to move the deleted video back to your primary inbox for easy access and viewing. By following these steps, you can effectively recover deleted videos on Gmail, ensuring that your important video content is not lost permanently. Whether from the trash folder or your inbox, you can retrieve your deleted videos with ease. Recovering deleted videos on Gmail is a valuable feature that helps you preserve your video memories and keep your inbox organized. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in successfully recovering your deleted videos on Gmail. Keep your videos safe and accessible with these simple steps.